In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a vector in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, understanding how to manipulate vectors is an essential skill. Let's dive in and explore this simple yet valuable process that you can master in just about 5 minutes. To begin, you'll need to head over to Figma's website. This is where all the magic happens. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that allows you to create, prototype and collaborate all in one place. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to figma.com. Upon reaching the homepage, the next step is to log into your Figma account. If you've already got an account, click on the login button visible at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed straight to your workspace. Now, if you're new to Figma, you might want to take a moment to set up an account. It's quick and straightforward to do. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Figma homepage where you can access all of your projects and drafts. This is your creative dashboard. Here you can see recent projects or start something fresh. To proceed, you need to open the specific project where you wish to fill a vector. In your chosen project, click on the Design tab. This is going to open up your canvas where the real design work begins. The Design tab is where you manage all the elements of your project, from layers to frames, and of course vectors. Now look for the vector element you need to work on. It's important to make sure you've selected the correct vector, since filling it will change its appearance. Once you've located it, a simple click will highlight your vector element, ready for the next step. With your vector selected, focus your attention on the right hand side panel. Here you'll see a variety of options related to styling and effects for your selected object. Look for the section labelled Fill. This is where you can adjust the color properties of your vector. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking the fill brings up options to change the color, apply gradients, or even input specific hex codes if you have a particular color in mind. Play around with these settings until you find the perfect look for your vector. It's a space that allows creativity to flourish, and you can always revert changes if you feel like experimenting with different shades or patterns. And just like that, you've filled a vector in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat this process on different elements to refine your skills. Figma offers countless possibilities, so feel free to explore further and make your designs truly stand out. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Figma!